We begin tonight with a hepatitis A outbreak in Martin County. Right now, federal, state, and local leaders are joining forces to put fears to rest and make sure you are protected against the virus. And take a look at where we stand right now. 3 people have died from hepatitis A in Martin County, and there are 19 confirmed cases. There are 6 cases in Palm Beach County, 2 in St. Lucie County and Okeechobee counties. Let's get right to WPTV News Channel 5's Ryan Hughes live outside the Martin County Sheriff's Office with the next steps in this investigation.
And Jay, good evening. Today in a news conference that lasted more than an hour, we heard from the state epidemiologist. She tells us there are more than 1,200 cases of hepatitis A up and down the state of Florida. But what's unusual is that 3 people died right here in Martin County. Tonight, our local health departments are actively working with the CDC, trying to pinpoint what's causing this.
This is very serious, and we really want to address what the cause is.
Federal, state, and local leaders meeting in Martin County as the number of confirmed cases of hepatitis A continues to climb.
We have not ruled out anything with regards to the cases in Martin County. We are turning over every rock.
Dr. Karina Blackmore is the state epidemiologist. She says we are still in the early stages of trying to trigger the source of the outbreak, but there is a cluster of cases in Palm City. That's where Jeff Kirsch and his wife Nancy lived, as well as Lee Collins. All 3 died from the virus.
These were friends of ours. These were our neighbors.
Dr. Blackmore says 5 of the 19 cases are part of the homeless population or are drug users. Hepatitis A is a contagious liver disease spread person to person or through contaminated food. Although there is concern, Blackmore is assuring the public it's safe to eat at restaurants.
We have no indication at this point that this outbreak is spread primarily through restaurants.
Martin County is in daily contact with the CDC and has mobilized resources from other counties.
We have support from regional employees from Miami-Dade to St. Lucie County.
And the health department in St. Lucie County has now taken over, and it's coordinating efforts to try and pinpoint the source of this outbreak. We also learned today that the sheriff's office has offered to help. The sheriff telling us today he was told his agency is not the lead agency. We're live tonight in Martin County. Ryan Hughes, WPTV News Channel 5.
And another development just coming into the newsroom. We've learned the brother of the Palm City man who died of complications from hepatitis A has suddenly passed away himself. Ned Kirsch shared this picture with us on Tuesday of his brother Jeff and his sister-in-law Nancy Kirsch. They died from complications of Hep A. We have now learned Ned Kirsch passed away just a day after speaking with News Channel 5. The company where Ned Kirsch worked says he had recently returned from Florida following his brother's death. We have requested the medical examiner's report to find out Kirsch's cause of death.